Hello students, how are you all? Student, I am your mathematics teacher Jennifer Sana from St. John's High School. Children, we have already learned how to add 3-digit numbers, and today we are going to learn how to add 4-digit numbers. Now, over here we need to add these two numbers, and these numbers are 4-digit numbers. So, how do we add the 4-digit numbers? Well, addition of 4-digit numbers are very similar to the addition of 3-digit numbers. The first thing is to write the two numbers that we want to add, one below the other. So I have 4645 and 1324. So first I write this number. Now 5 is in the ones place, so I will write 5 under the ones place. Then 4 is in the tens place, so I write 4 under the tens place. Then 6 under the hundred place and 4 under the thousand place. Now I write this number just below this number. Now 4 is in the ones place, so I will write 4 under the ones place. 2 is in the tens place, so we will write 2 under the tens place. Then 3 under the hundred place and 1 under the thousands place. And I need to add these two, so I write the addition symbol or the sign. Now just like the 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers, I start from the rightmost place, that is the ones place. So I write from the ones place and add the digits under the ones place. How do I do that? So I have 5 and 4 under the ones place. So 5 plus 4 is 9, so I will write 9 under the ones place. Then I have 4 and 2 in the tens place, so 4 plus 2 is 6, so I will write 6 under the tens place. Then there is 6 and 3 under the hundred place, so 6 plus 3 is 9, so I will write 9 under the hundred place. Then there is 4 and 1 under the thousand place. So 4 plus 1 become 5, so I will write 5 under the thousand place. Children, now let's proceed to add the other two numbers, and that are 6524 and 3134. So let us write the numbers. I have 4 is in the ones place, so I will write 4 under the ones place. Then I have 2 under the tens place, so I write 2 under the tens place. Then in the hundred place, there is a number 5. So I will write 5 under the hundred place. Then I have 6 in the thousand place, So I will write 6 under the 1000 place. Then I have to write this number just below this number. In this number I have 4 in the ones place, so I will write 4 under the ones place. Then 3 is in the tens place, so I will write 3 under the tens place. Then 1 I will write under the 100 place. Then there is number 3 which I will write under the 1000 place because it is in the 1000 place. And I need to add these two, so I write the symbol of addition in front of this number, and then I will start addition from the rightmost side, that is the ones place. Now in the ones place there are two numbers 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So I will write 8 under the ones place. Then there is 2 and 3 under the tens place. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So I will write 5 under the tens place. Then in the 100 place the numbers are 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So I will write 6 under the 100 place. Then I have 6 and 3 in the 1000 place. So 6 plus 3 gives me 9. So I will write 9 under the 1000 place. So I keep on shifting one place to the left. So starting from the rightmost place, I add the digit and shift one place to the left. Again, I add the digit and shift one place to the left. So the sum of these two digits is 9658. So we have seen how can we add two 4 digits. In a similar way we can add 3 4 digits. So let it see. First I need to write the numbers one below the others. So I have 3634, 2141 and 3013. So I have 3634. So first I will write 4 under the ones place. First we have to write these numbers into their respective places. So 4 is in the ones place. So we will write 4 under the ones place. Then we will write 3 under the tens place. Then in 100 place I will write 6 because 6 is in the 100 place. Then in the 1000 place I will write 3. In this number 1 is in the ones place, so I will write 1 under the ones place. Then 4 under the tens place. Then I will write 1 under the 100 place. Then 2 is in the 1000 place, so I will write 2 under the 1000 place. Then in these numbers we have to recognize that which number we will write under the 1000 place, which number we have to write under the 100 place, in tens place and ones place. So we will see that in this number 3 is under the ones place, so we will write 3 under the ones place. Then there is 1 I will write under the tens place. Then there is number 0, and 0 is in the 100 place, so I will write 0 under the 100 place. Then there is a number 3 which I will write in the 1000 place. Now I have to add these three numbers. So before starting the addition, I will put the symbol of addition or the sign of addition in front of this number, and then I will start from the rightmost place, that is the ones place. So let us start to add these three numbers. In the ones place there are three numbers: 1, 4, 1 and 3. So 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. So I will write 8 under the ones place. Then in the tens place I have 3, 4 and 1. So 3 plus 4 plus 1 gives me 8. So I will write 8 under the tens place. Then we have to see that which three numbers are under the 100 place. So as you can see, there's 6, 3 and 0 are under the 100 place. So we will add 6, 3 and 0. So 6 plus 3 plus 0 is 9. So I will write 9 under the 100 place. Then there is 3, 2 and 3 under the 1000 place. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 gives me 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 gives me 8, not 9. So I will write 8 under the 1000. So the sum of these three numbers is 8988. Children, now let's proceed to solve our next example. In this example, there are three numbers. The first number is 4502, 1224, and then the third number is 4113. So let's start to solve. In the first number, two is in the ones place, so I will write 2 under the ones place. Then there is number 0, and 0 is in the tens place, so I will write 0 under the tens place. Then there is number 5, and number 5 is in the 100 place, so I will write 500 under the 100 place. Then there is number 4, so I will write number 4 under the 1000 place. Now in the second number, Student, can you tell me that which number is in the ones place? Yes, you are right. Number 4 is in the ones place. So I will write 4 under the ones place. Then 2 is in the tens place. So I will write 2 under the tens place. Then I will write 2, this 2 under the hundred place. And then I will write 1 under the thousand place. In the third number, which number I will write under the ones place? Yes, students. Number 3 I will write under the ones place. Then number 1 I will write under the tens place. Then this number I will write under the hundred place. And 4 I will write under the thousand place. So first we have to write these 3 numbers into their respective places. Then we will put the sign of addition or the symbol of addition in front of this number, and then we will start to solve our sum. So let it start from the ones place. In the ones place there are 3 numbers, and these numbers are 2, 4 and 3. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 9. So I will write 9 over here under the ones place. Then in the tens place the numbers are 0, 2 and 1. 2 into 0 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I will write 3 under the tens place. I keep on shifting one place to the left. So starting from the rightmost side or rightmost place, I add the digit and shift on to the next place. Again I add the digit and shift on place to the left. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. So I will write 8 under the hundred place. Then in the thousand place the number is 4, 1 and 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives me 9. So I will write 9 under the thousand place. So the sum of these 3 numbers is 9839. Children, this is your home task. Do exercise 9A from book page 20. Students, you are requested to solve your homework or activity in your maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of your homework. Students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.